Hey guys, as you all know, paneer has lot of health benefits, but it's very expensive if you want to buy from outside. So with this simple process, you can make the super soft paneer at home. For this, you have to take a full cream milk, boil it. Now take a bowl, add vinegar and some water. Now switch off the stove, and when the milk is very hot, you have to add little by little this vinegar mixture, so that our milk will get start breaking. Here you can see the water has separated. Now you have to take a bowl. On this place any strainer. On the strainer you have to place any cotton cloth. Now strain the milk mixture by pressing gently. Don't over press it. If you do over pressing, then our paneer will get hard, so gently press it. Now remove the strainer and place any steamed vessel. Now you have to make shape of the paneer you want to make. It may be square or circle, it's up to you. Now place any heavy object on this and let it rest for 30 minutes. And that's it. Our super soft paneer is ready. If you like the video, don't forget to click on the button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.